August 14, 2020, and today's my practice. As for English, I read and watched content about English and study English terms. I wanted to first study abroad. I proceed paperworks. I tackled mobile phone. And as for UI UX, I studied design principle, user research, and programming. I studied algorithm and JavaScript to lead code. And today I want to talk about clean installing, especially OS is installing OS. But before OS installing OS, it is recommended to delete all the data like that, and that is the reason why it is called clean install. You mean if you update something, mostly if you will overwrite or replace something, but the best way is once you erase all the things and then install the new things. And you don't have to do always, but when it comes to installing OS operating system, it is sometimes recommended to clean install. And that's all. Thank you for watching.